Alright, now on your Android phone, your camera might be spying on you. It might be looking at what you're doing right now. And that may be because you might have unknowingly given all the permissions to your camera to access all the settings possible on your phone. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you some important settings that you need to disable to make sure your camera doesn't get access to your system settings and spy on you. Before we go ahead, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. A lot of you guys who watch my contents regularly have not subscribed yet. If you subscribe, it motivates me to keep coming up with some interesting contents for you guys and you get to learn a lot. So go ahead, subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video informative, and don't forget to download our Volvers wallpaper application. There are tons of brand new wallpapers added recently and some new collections as well. Do go ahead and check out the link in the description. Now let's dive in. Let's press and hold on the camera application here and tap on the eye icon. Now this will take you to the app information page. Right here, tap on permissions. Now on this page, we only look at these allowed access and not allowed permissions, right? But there is a hidden option right here. Just tap on the three dot button and tap on all permissions. This is where you will find tons of permissions given to your camera application. You can see when you scroll down, other app capabilities is mentioned here. Let me just quickly turn on the light mode. Yeah. So we have got the other app capabilities. Run foreground service with the type camera. Galaxy AI services access. Change your audio settings. If I scroll down, you can see change network connectivity access is given to camera. Run foreground service. Run it startup, speech recognition service. If I scroll further down, there's something interesting here. It can connect and disconnect from Wi-Fi, view network connections, check functions supported by Samsung AI Core, access MDM content providers, request delete packages, view Wi-Fi connections, use biometric hardware. I think this biometric hardware was on a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, where you could just use the biometric hardware on the back of your phone to measure the heart rate, etc. And maybe for that reason, this option is still available. And then we have got some more. So all these system access are given to camera application, which is not really needed. So what you need to do is just go back and go one more page backwards. And here you've got app information. Scroll down, you will see this option, change system settings. Tap on this and disable this permission. Now I'm pretty sure on most of your phones, this permission is turned on. Just disable it. This will disable the app to change system settings. That is critical, so go ahead and change that settings. Now, the next settings that you need to disable is right here on the app information. Just scroll down, you'll see mobile data under usage. Let me tap on this. Now here, allow background data usage is turned on by default, and I don't think this is really necessary. Now, if you disable this, your camera will not share any data in the background, which is also very important. So go ahead and disable allow background data usage toggle on your application data usage settings. Now, the last tip is very important for all the Android phone users out there. Without your knowledge, there could be some applications accessing your camera on your Android phone, and you might not have any idea about that. So to check that, what you need to do is you need to go to the settings and tap on security and privacy. Here, just scroll down, you will see permissions used in last 24 hours. Just open this. This is where you will see all those applications which are using the camera permissions. Now you can see here, Facebook and Instagram are using the camera permission. Now, since you know that you are using it on Facebook, Instagram, or any other applications, if that is listed here, it's perfectly fine. But if there is any other application which is accessing your camera in the background, you will get that information right over here. And you can tap on the camera application and see which application is accessing it, and you can disable the permission right over here. Now, for example, I'll just select Facebook, allow only while using the application, ask every time, don't allow, just select don't allow for the applications to which you don't want to give camera access to. So that's something very important as Android users. So go ahead, change these settings, check if there is any application spying on you in the background, and disable the permissions for those applications. That's about it. Thanks for watching. If you love these contents, be sure to hit the like button. And like I said, do not forget to subscribe to the channel because you get to learn a lot. And when you subscribe, I get motivated to keep posting more contents for you guys. So go ahead, subscribe. The Volvers wallpaper application link is in the description. We have recently added depth clock wallpaper as well. And we also have video wallpapers. Have added a few of them yesterday. Under premium section, you will see 3 new video wallpapers have been added. Do go ahead and check them out. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.